Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your TikTok ID without email. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. Okay, once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and click on report a problem. Once you are on that page, click on I want to make my account secure. Okay, and here you need to scroll down and click on no and click on need more help, and here you need to mention to the TikTok team that I do not know my email address, and mention other details and add a screenshot and click on submit. Then the TikTok team will contact you and help you recover your TikTok account without email address. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.